When I think of yellow, flowers and lemons is the first thing that comes to my mind. I'm bringing in the sunshine with pops of yellow into our guest bedroom this summer. In case you missed my guest bedroom makeover tour, I'll leave that link in my description box. I love having neutral walls and furniture because it allows me to add pops of color when I want to. To play up the warm, sunny sunshine spirit, I've added a few yellow pillows that I've had for years, and they're from Ross stores, and they set me back only about $12 each. With the exception of the blingy pineapple pillow, it's from Homegoods. Above the bed, I felt it was a little too bare, so I added a set of these decorative mirrors. That's from Burlington. I've had them for years. I'm showing 4, but I had a total of 8, and I remember getting them all for $24.99. The other wall mirror was replaced with this illuminated mirror. It finally came, and it's the same one that's in her master bedroom, and it's from American Signature Furniture. I styled my bed with some pretties, a candle, some faux flowers, and a set of new yellow towels that are sitting on the acrylic bed tray that you guys have seen a dozen times. The blingy vase is from Ross stores. The small one was $6.99 and the large one was $8.99, and I just popped in a small flower vase inside one, and Dollar Tree stems are in the other one. I purchased these towels from Homegoods last spring, and they are beautiful and soft, and the bath towels wrap completely around you, and they were very affordable. We're not expecting guests anytime soon, but when we do, I can easily place these items on the nightstands. And I also added this beautiful arrangement inside my candle votive to balance pops of yellow throughout the room. I placed new towels inside the guest closet, and here's how I folded my bath towels. Start with the towel lengthwise, then fold into thirds, and then fold the towel in half and half again. I love the streamlined look on the shelf, letting your guests know you are awaiting for their arrival. On the second shelf, some of the items that was on the acrylic bed tray was placed here. I hope you guys have gotten some good ideas on how you can add pops of color into your bedroom or your guest bedroom without spending a ton of money. As always, it's not what you buy, it's how you spend it. Be safe, everyone, and I want to thank you all for watching.